What's going on, everyone, and welcome back to the channel. I got this bestarc CUT35A. It's 110 volt plasma cutter, 15 to 35 amp. It was pretty inexpensive. It was $100 on Amazon. You guys know me from past experience. I'm pretty frugal.
Mr. Cheapskate.
I like to save money. I like to get the maximum out of my dollar. 70 PSI compressed air working range. It's like a cute little portable plasma cutter. It's something that you could use in a shop setting, or it looks like something that's small enough that you can tote around with you. It's portable, 110 volt, but you could basically take it out somewhere with a generator and you could use it outside in the field. It's supposed to cut anywhere from 20 gauge sheet metal all the way up to 3/8 inch steel. We're gonna do one better. We're gonna put it through its paces and we're gonna try to get it to cut 1/2 inch steel. See how it does. I was in the market for a plasma cutter for the shop. There's gonna be some jobs coming up down the line and I'm gonna be needing it. Let's dig into this thing and put it through its paces and see what this $100 plasma cutter is made of. So don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and let's get started. Let's cut this bitch open and see what we're working with here. Directions. All right, we got a nice little box. Torch. All right, here's the unit. It's a cute little, small little unit. It is small and portable. It's very cute. It's fitting the Volkswagen Beetle. Cool, comes with a little air separator. I already have one of these on my air compressor, so I will not be installing one of these today, but it's good to have. So I want to say, first impressions, it doesn't really come across as a $100 item. It looks like it costed at least a couple $100. It doesn't look very cheap. It has decent handle, nice display. The buttons look and feel great. I mean, everything looks and feels like it should. With that being said, let's see how the unit performs. It comes with this extra air hose, some fittings, different fittings. Looks like a 1/4 inch quick disconnect, which is what I use on my air compressor, so I'm probably not gonna need any of this stuff. Before we start testing it, let's put it together, shall we? To do that, it's basically plug and play. You're going to put your ground. All right, you connect the electrode. You can only connect that one way. There's a little tab that prevents you from connecting it the wrong way. Then you hook up your torch. That's also where the air comes out. So I guess we are going to be using this air separator. I guess some people don't have water separators on their systems. This is like secondary measure. I'll just install it. It ain't gonna hurt anything. That's where it comes in handy, not throwing away the directions. All right, now we're all mounted. Hoses are all hooked up. Let's see what this thing is made of. To do that, I start by connecting the air compressor and setting it to the desired pressure. To do up to 530 seconds is 20 to 40 PSI. And that the air is connected, let's power this puppy up and get started. We're going to start by cutting 22 gauge sheet metal, ground connected, and let's begin. Butter! Wow, that thing works great. I mean, it is sheet metal. All right, let's see how that puppy works on something thicker.
Damn girl, shit, thicker.
All right, let's bump it up to 1/8 thick steel. I believe your frames are 1/8 thick, so this is basically what you could use to cut frames. I'm gonna turn the machine up to 28 amps. We've got our ground connected. Let's see what we got. I'm not cutting the whole piece, I'm just gonna cut a corner off. I don't wanna waste my steel. You guys get the point. That was hot. Wow, it cut through 1/8 like it was butter as well. That's cool. This is nice. All right, we're gonna bump it up to 1/4. There you go, 35 amps. Turn up the PSI a little bit. It says 35 to 50, so I got the PSI to 40. I know that cut looked a little choppy, but that was me. That wasn't the machine. The machine cut through it like it was literally like a hot knife through butter.
Like a hot knife through butter.
All right, now we're gonna bump it up to 3/8. Turn the PSI up a hair. All right, the same thing. I'm just gonna cut a corner off of it and burn myself. All right, I wouldn't call that cutting like butter per se, but it is 3/8. It is at the top of the spectrum. It is like the maximum, and it does say that it's not going to cut a clean 3/8. So yeah, it didn't cut a clean 3/8, but it cut it. It cut it at 110 volts as well. So you can't really complain. So I was going to try to cut 1/2-inch steel, but you've seen how it performed with the 3/8. Now, is it supposed to cut 1/2-inch steel? No, it's not. They do state in the directions that 3/8 is not going to be a smooth cut. It wasn't. It was a little bit of a rough cut. Does the machine do what it's supposed to do? As far as I'm concerned, it does. For a $100 machine, it works perfect. It works perfect for the application that I'm going to use it for. Like I said, you can cut auto frames. You can cut up to 3/8-inch thick steel for a $100 tool. You can't go wrong. If it was a $1,000 tool, I wouldn't be praising it as much as I am, because it is a $100 tool. It's got a spot in my garage. If you're curious to see how it performs in the long run, subscribe. Check us out. I'm going to be using it in the future. I'm going to see how this puppy works on live vehicles. The machine is going to be on my Amazon affiliate store. It's going to be linked down below. Like I said, if it's only $100, if you're in the market for a plasma cutter, what do you have to lose? Thanks a lot for watching. I'm on Instagram at a.patriotstouch. I'm also on TikTok and Facebook at A Patriot's Touch. Please like, share, and subscribe. And we'll see you next time on A Patriot's Touch. Have a nice day. What's going on, everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today I got bestarc, ARC or CUT, I don't know, some shit. What's going on, everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today I got this best. put it through its paces so you guys can see what kind of a piece of shit it is. I'm gonna power this puppy up and see what she's made of. Oh yeah, once I plug it in. What happened? I blew a circuit, that's what happened.